You or a loved one has received a secured bond. There's a bondsman sending you letters telling you that you need his services. So what does a bondsman do? Hello, my name is Preston Edwards, and I'm a criminal defense attorney here at Dummit Fradin. Generally speaking, you only need a bondsman when you got a secured bond. A secured bond is where you have to pay a cash payment to the state prior to being released of your own recognizance before your proceedings. In this case, say a magistrate judge sets a $10,000 secured bond. Normally, you have to put up that $10,000. But if you come to court, you handle all your stuff, you get the $10,000 back at the end. What a bondsman will do is, generally speaking, now bondsmen do different things, they have different prices at different rates, but most of the time, a bondsman will charge you approximately 10% of whatever the secured bond amount is. So if you have a $10,000 secured bond, you'll pay the bondsman $1,000. The bondsman will put up the full $10,000 to the state in exchange for the $1,000. However, once the proceedings end, whatever outcome your case had, your bondsman keeps that $1,000, and you don't get that back. So, as you can see, there are advantages to getting a bondsman, especially if you've got a huge bond, like a $250,000 bond. Very few of us have $10,000 laying around, much less $250,000. And it's incredibly vital, if you do get a secured bond, that you're able to obtain your release. The statistics on success of criminal defense for when you get pretrial release, for when you don't, are mind-boggling and serious. So the ability to obtain your release upon a secured bond is an incredibly important part of the criminal justice system. So if you feel that you need a bondsman, give Dummit Fradin a call today to discuss your options.